So what if there was a product that you could easily clean your vehicle and leave behind lasting protection in a single step and you've been overlooking it? Hey guys, it's Corey from Sky's the Limit Car Care, and today we're going to talk all about CARPRO EliXir. While this product has been out for quite a few years now, so I know some of you have been overlooking it. A lot of people ask us, where does this sit between CARPRO Reload and CARPRO Echo? What are its shortcomings? What are its benefits? Like, why should I get this if I have Reload, or why should I not? And today we're going to answer all those questions. And then for those that really like to dig deep, stick around to the very end and we're going to talk about the exact origins of CARPRO EliXir. So first things first, what exactly is CARPRO EliXir? CARPRO EliXir, while it says high gloss quick detailer on the label, that can be a little bit confusing to some people. This product actually has pretty good protection in it. You can get up to 3 months of protection on a daily driver. You're definitely going to get at least a month. It also depends on your conditions, how often you wash it, things like that. So that's what it is. And next question, how does this compare to CARPRO Reload? Well, the big thing that I like to tell people between EliXir and CARPRO Reload is when you apply CARPRO Reload to the surface, Reload actually requires a clean surface, a well-prepped surface for it to bond. It doesn't really have any cleaners in it, and it's not going to stick around and last a long time, and it's not going to remove dirt the way that a waterless wash like CARPRO Echo will. So you may have noticed I mentioned CARPRO Echo, which is the other product that this kind of combines with Reload. And Echo is a waterless wash. The thing about Echo is that it does not have any protection in it, or very minimal anyway. It'll last, until your next wash or so. EliXir combines the two of these things into one product that will clean up to a point and also protect very well. One little thing that I'll add is this doesn't just have Reload and Echo in it, but it has some components of another product that we get asked a lot about, which is CARPRO Hydro 2 in it. And that is the items that are brought in from CARPRO Hydro 2 is the magic that brings it all together and really makes it bond well, hold up to even salty conditions for about a month, and all those types of things. So one thing that we should address is probably the most important question with any product that you're going to use, and that is this product for me? And if not, who is this product for? So CARPRO EliXir is most certainly can be used by anybody for a lot of different uses, but where it really shines is for those that are hard pressed for time or want something that easily seals their vehicle without a lot of prep, or they want something to just top up their coating, or something like you might take to a car show. If you just want some light cleaning and some extremely high gloss, really easy to put on, that's where EliXir shines. All right, guys, closing thoughts on CARPRO EliXir. Number one, CARPRO EliXir gives you an extremely deep, rich, glossy surface. It's easy to use, and it leaves it nice and slick and gives you lasting protection. On the other side of things, we don't want to over embellish or tell you that this is a cure-all for everything. If your car is really dirty, then this is not the right product for you. Or if you're really particular and you want to prep it, everything, and do it the very best way you can, then you're going to wash it first. You can still use EliXir after. But for slightly dirty or just dusty cars, EliXir really excels there, and it definitely excels at leaving protection and making things glossy. So for those of you that have stuck around for the origin story on EliXir, let me tell you all about it. Back in the day when we already had Hydro on the scene and Reload on the scene and even CARPRO Echo, the waterless wash, on the scene, some of us, myself, my friend Wes, Mike, Merlin, we started playing around with mixing Reload and Echo and using that as kind of a one-step, similar to what we're doing with this. And it worked incredibly well. So we went to CARPRO with it and we said, hey, this works really good. Could you guys make something like this? And so CARPRO's magicians got to work on that, and what you have that came out of it is CARPRO EliXir. It's got some Reload in it, it's got some Echo in it, but it also has some other magic in it. Some of the attributes of Hydro 2 and some other things to make it all work together the way it does. So that's pretty much the whole story. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, please be sure to leave those below. If you'd rather not and you'd just like to reach out to us with anything, you can always hit us at our email or our phone number. Those are listed below. For any more information or videos on the other products that I've mentioned here today, you can also find links for those below. If you haven't subscribed already, please be sure to do so, and we look forward to seeing you next time. Have a great day, guys.